You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I will be looking at Shiba USDT and BTC USDT and as well Sol USDT and look at how we can position ourselves in the market. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Let's grow this channel fast. Then if you are new to the channel as well, check all the contents that will help your trading methods right here on Remit Trade. Okay, so let's dive right into this video now. If you look at Shiba Inu right here, it has created a new high. And one thing very important about this particular coin is not that it has a very gigantic use case, but I discovered that the team behind this particular project is actually aiding it, and not only that, it's mass adoption. Okay, so that is what is driving this very particular coin crazy right now. So what you should expect and how you should take a position, if you have not taken a position right here, I have taken more position at this very point where it breaks out, and also at this very point in our VIP signal group. So right now we see an explosion of this very particular move. Now one thing you have to understand is market does not just move like this to the upside. I can guarantee you that the next candle can be a bullish move, and then the next one will be a bearish move to the downside. So what you have to do right here is to wait for a retracement, and a retracement will be a very nice thing to look out for in the market right now. So wait for the market to retrace back down before you can now enter for the next move to the upside. And this very particular coin will do perfectly well, guys. So if you have not been holding Shiba, please, I advise hold a little bit of it, even though it's not much. Hold a little bit of it, and then you see what this market is going to do in the next few months to come. It's going to do perfectly well because of the team that is behind this very particular coin right now. So what you do, don't buy at this very point, is far way up, and then I am expecting the people that bought here or at this very point will begin to sell off. So once they sell off, market is going to go back down a little bit, and then I am also going to give that very particular call, signal right here for you to take a position on this very particular Shiba USDT. Right now we can say that it's very high, but if you look at it, 0.0000543 is still very low compared to where it is going. So imagine Shiba in the next 1 year turn $1 and you have just a little quantity of it. So just buy as much as you can and keep it in your portfolio. So that is what I am expecting right now. A little bit of retracement to the downside before it will come back up, just like we see in this very case where market retrace, go up, retrace before it then move back up. So when that happens, I am going to give a call on this very particular channel. BTC USDT chart here, guys. I also made mention of yesterday, the market coming back to this point, and then from here, if we see a bullish move that close above this, then we should enter. Rather, this was the very nice support I was expecting right here. We see the market has a support here, at support at this area, we see another support here, and then a support here as well. Okay, so one thing very important right here, guys, is you must understand that this is a very key support to the market right now. And what we want to see right now is if you see a breakout, a bearish breakout to the downside, then I am expecting the market to go back to this very level, in my own opinion. Now one thing is, if you draw this trend line from here to this area, and then you pick another trend line from here, you see that the markets have to come back down. You see this is a descending wedge right now on this very particular move. So I am expecting the market to break this very particular resistance line right at this point. So a breakout of this resistance line, don't forget this very resistance right there. There is a resistance right here as well. So I am looking for a market to break out of this very trend line and break this resistance. That will give us a nice shoot up in the price of Bitcoin in the next coming days. So what I am expecting from this very level is the market should go up, and then it should break this very particular resistance line, break this other resistance as well, and then market should go right up from this very area. So my own directional bias is market to go up there should be a breakout on this, and then if there is a breakout, the market should retest, and then we should move back right up on this very particular move right here. And then, like I said earlier, if we see a bearish close, the market is possibly going to go back to this very particular level here. This is where I find out another very strong support in the market at this very particular level right there of $54,000 on Bitcoin. This is what I'm expecting to happen on Bitcoin chart right now. If you look at this very market, guys, I talk about SOL right here, and yesterday I also look at the market on this very particular line right here. You see the market is already on this very particular trend line that I draw yesterday, guys. So this very particular move, I am expecting the market to go up. If the bulls are strong in the market, I want them to go right up. A breakout, a significant breakout on this very particular trend line will mean that market is going to go back to this very area. Like I pointed out, and I said that this very particular horizontal support level is a very strong one, and if markets come back down to this level, then it will be a very perfect buy for us in accumulating Solana at this very particular point right now. So at this very point, I am expecting market to go up before taking a buy position. So that is what I'm expecting on Shiba, BTC, and Solana price charts in the next coming days. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.